If your Stripe payment is not received, it can be confusing. You or your customer completed the payment, but the money isn't showing up. Yeah, this usually happens because of pending balances, payout delays, or incorrect account setup. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First, go to your Stripe dashboard and check the payment status. It may show as pending and processing or succeeded, but not yet paid out. Next, check your Stripe balance. Sometimes payments are received but still sitting in your available or pending balance. Stripe doesn't send funds instantly. Check your payout schedule. Payments are usually transferred to your bank after a few days. Make sure your bank account is correctly linked and verified. Incorrect or unverified bank details can delay or block payouts. Stripe may hold funds for security checks, disputes, or compliance reviews. Look for any alerts in your dashboard and follow the instructions. If everything looks correct but the payment still isn't received, contact Stripe support. They can check your account and explain exactly what's causing the delay. And that's it. Following these steps usually helps you track and fix Stripe payment not received issues. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.